Steve Basic from the riverside. Now, you can see you have that nice big opening that goes from there all the way over to there. Yeah, you can see how much higher it is up there, but don't be fooled. The slab is actually, if we come over on this side here, you get a good shot of it. See the river there, but the slab is actually, that's a doorway. So the slab's going to get poured somewhere up in my finger, which is probably about 2 feet of gravel that's going to happen inside here to bring this floor up. So that windowsill is, probably 20 inches above the slab at best. And then we have that higher one there. But anyways, Steve Basic Architect out here from the riverside.